Here we are looking at RFMK. Done this one a few times before, but definitely needs an update as it accomplished a big milestone actually a few days ago, but just haven't been able to get to the video. But if you do remember the last one I did, I talked mainly about this orange line right here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and this was the key level of resistance that the price needed to get through. And just to quickly touch on it, you can see multiple times the price would get knocked down by it. It did break above it intraday, but since we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the closes are. So multiple times price got knocked down by it, but now you can see that actually this was the first day back on September 28th where the bulls closed above it. Then it had basically one day right here of consolidation and base building, and then took off for the next 2 days and is now consolidating up here. So some updates definitely need to be made. And the first one and the big one is we now have a new level and key level of support. Right here, the 200-day simple moving average, the former resistance, has now been converted over to support. So the key level of support now is at 0.0030. That'll be the new important level. It's simply because it was a key level of resistance. Now it becomes a key level of support. So 003 will be one level of support. Another level of support, and I'm going to call this more of the ideal level, meaning if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the best ideally, it would be this high here, which was at 0.0033. But this is also a level of support where if the price does close below it, there's no need to panic. Don't freak out, jump out of any windows or anything, because you still do have other levels of support below you. But 0.0033 would definitely be the level that would make the chart look the strongest. But like I said, you do still have other levels of support below you. In terms of resistance levels, the one that's being kind of stubborn right now is comes back from here in May. 2 days in a row, the price went up and hit this 0038 area. You can see right there, 2 days in a row. So this is the first initial level of resistance. And yes, again, the price did break above it intraday a few times, but because we're looking at the daily, we care about where the close is. So this is the first level of resistance that needs to get above. And then after that, the next level of resistance is not until up here at 0.0042. So that'll be the following resistance. Let's try that again. Following resistance level after the first one we just talked about. And I'm not going to go any further than that. One step at a time. This chart starts to get some closes up above here like it did the 200-day. Then I'll certainly be back to update the chart. But overall, looking great. Nice uptrending chart. Nice to see that the 50-day simple moving average has clearly turned upwards now. So this medium longer term trend, depending on your strategy, is definitely bullish with this nice strong upsloping moving average. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was RFMK. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekends.